Numbers are good. Upasana joins in with the highlights.
The company has reported good set of numbers. The revenue was largely in line, but PAT and EBITDA margin beats the poll estimates. Now, EBITDA margin beat was mainly led by the positive margin surprise in the company's lighting segment and healthy performance in its butterfly. Now, coming to the numbers now, the revenue saw an uptick of 5%, EBITDA saw an uptick of 30%, EBITDA margin saw an uptick of 240 basis points at 12.8% versus the poll of 11.5%. Now, this margin expansion was supported by 700 basis points margin uptick in company's lighting segment at 15.9%. Butterfly stood at 6.7% and ECD reported a steady margin of 16.7%. PAT reported a growth of 29% on a YoY basis, and company's key segment, that is ECD, saw a steady growth of 6% in line with estimates. Now, this ECD growth was mainly led by pumps and appliances, especially mixer grinders, coolers and solar pumps, which saw a 20% YoY growth. Now, company held its conference call, and here are some of the important takeaways. Company has indicated that it is actively exploring a greenfield manufacturing project with an investment of 350 crore, and the phase 1 of this will focus on fan manufacturing. Company is also entering into high growth solar rooftop segment with a TAM of nearly about 20,000 crores is what the company is estimating. Now, coming to the categories, company has indicated that the pipes continue to perform very well. Appliances delivered a high teen growth, and despite delayed summers, air cooler stood out with a growth of 50% on a YoY basis. Now, coming to the butterfly, which was under pressure, and the company has revived it. The butterfly performance was supported by the double-digit growth in mixer grinder and cooker category. And lastly, company says that despite the consumer demand continue to remain subdued, it remains optimistic about FY26 growth outlook. So all in all, strong set of numbers from Crompton.
One of the positive earnings reactions today. Upasana, thanks a lot for that on Crompton. But Apurva